Hey guys, it's Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property I just got the keys for. We actually closed on it 30 days earlier, but we closed right on Christmas Eve, and we let the seller stay in the property for 30 days just to, who wants to move at Christmas, and she needed the money to move. So we closed 30 days ago, but literally just picked up the key. We buy in as is condition. So you can leave the stuff behind you don't want, so it makes it easier to move. And this house has a few issues with it, which is fine. We're happy to buy, pay cash, buy an as is condition, and we can fix it up. This one we're gonna fix up and turn into a rental property. I'll show you around. So we are on the west bank of Jefferson Parish, and obviously they took everything they wanted, but they left behind the things that they didn't want. Out here we've got a bit of the washer hookups dripping, and have to get that fixed. So look, the house is in too bad condition. We definitely buy worse than this, but definitely not ready to sell to a retail homeowner. You'll notice the flooring, is messed up a little bit. But that's okay, And they left all this stuff behind, and that's fine. We're gonna clean this up as part of our rehab. That's what we do. This seller wanted to selling fast was really important to them. They were behind on their mortgage, and they just really needed to move fast. So we were able to do that. We gave them a really fast close. We closed in, I think it was 8 days. So between signing the purchase agreement and closing, it was 8 days. But as I said, it was Christmas Eve, so we didn't make a move in 8 days. We gave an extra 30 days to pack up the house as best they could. Obviously not all of it, as you can see, but they packed up, took all the stuff they wanted. They used the money to be able to help them move and move on to the next stage in their life, and obviously, catch up their loan, etc. So look, if you have a house you're looking to sell, maybe you don't want to have to fix it up or clean it up and have open house inspections, people coming through your house. If that's the sort of way you would like to sell, by all means reach out to us at Home Buyer Louisiana. We're always happy to help. We pride ourselves on being really easy to work with, and helping you get what you need from the property, so everyone wins. We have a rule that we live by, that we never buy a house unless everyone's smiling at the closing table. We want you to smile, we want you to be happy. We need to smile too, and the deal needs to also work for us. It needs to be a win-win situation, and if that's not going to be the case, then we don't want to do the deal. And sometimes, look, if it doesn't work for us, we're still going to help you. If you give us a call or speak to us, we're going to let you know some options you have and give you some ideas, so that at least hopefully you can figure out the best way to move on from your property. So thanks guys. If you need to sell a house, reach out to us. Have a good one.